Love is the most precious thing in this whole world which one can gift to other. Thanks for showing me all your love and blessings for my first video of Evolve Life series. I am grateful. I am grateful to all of you. And now I am excited to take you through this journey along with me. Sometimes we just forget to notice those small and tiny things around us, as like birds creeping, the sound of rain, or the creativity of nature. So I thought, why not I will give you a short trip to the nature just to calm your mind. From my childhood days, I loved to believe in fairy tales. I remember at that age, my happiness pursued in small things. My grandfather's fairy tales used to take me to the another happy and imaginary world. Today, when we all are almost home locked, running out of the basic resources, I thought I will get back to my childhood days, where I used to create something with absolutely nothing. Things those are almost wastage or useless. Things which my mom used to throw. I used to pick them up, take it as a challenge, just to make something outstanding out of those. This farmhouse style planter was lying down somewhere in my storeroom. So I thought I will pick it up and turn it into a small beautiful fairy garden. Talking about fairies, since I cannot go outside for shopping due to the COVID situation at my place, I thought I will utilize my school time fairy dolls for this craft. They are too old, and I guess now they are happy to get some of my attention after a decade. Since this planter do not have any drainage hole, I have used some extremely low water plants for this decoration. If you have any pot with a drainage hole at the bottom, you can go with any other creepers as well. By the way, the plant I am using here is called snake plant. It is a typical indoor plant which may looks ugly sometimes, but it cleans the air better than any other indoor plant. It absorbs excessive amount of carbon monoxide from the air and also filter the toxin as well, such as benzene and formaldehyde. And the second plant I am using here is called money plant or pothos, which looks absolutely stunning in outdoor or indoor. This plant is also known as a great air purifier. Although there are so many myths are there about this plant keeping indoor, but I believe if you will treat a plant just like a plant, it won't harm you. Rather than it will purify your air naturally. Since I don't have anything to decorate my fairy garden right now, I am using these bamboo kebab sticks to add some detailings, creating a lampshade out of it. Also, I am covering the sticks with jute ropes. And just to add a final touch, I have added one old pendant of mine which look like a lantern. Hopefully this will work for a lampshade look. And just to finish the look, I have just added a small heart-shaped chalkboard written with fairy garden and some colorful pebbles. And our small, tiny own fairy garden is ready. We really appreciate the way you all are showing your love for our videos. It means a lot for us. Please keep supporting us. Also, do like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel O School Buddies and click the bell icon just to get the latest updates to make this family bigger.